Hello Dnation and welcome back to a classic review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Honda F6-C, and this is a 1/18 scale licensed diecast replica muscle motorcycle which is manufactured by Welly. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of a recently popular diecast motorcycle. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesomely detailed diecast replica. So now, as we know what this replica looks like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this amazing 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the Honda F6-C, which is a muscle motorcycle, and this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it sturdy and look quite a bit premium looking, like its life-size counterpart. So with that being said, this premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 120 grams. That makes it quite sturdy. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that makes it a premium collectible. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And my favorite feature about this motorcycle is its amazingly manufactured massive displacement engine. Kindly let me know in the comments below as to what are your favorite features about this amazing diecast motorcycle. So with that being said, now let's place this muscle beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description. And also, please do let me know what's your favorite feature about this diecast motorcycle in the comments below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beast on wheels in a 360-degree view. And while we take a look at this beauty, here are a few fun facts. On introduction in 1997, a naked standard and later a tourer model were offered. The tourer included a windshield and a lockable hard saddlebags. It was designated as a GL 1500 CT. In 1999, the Interstate model was added to the lineup, which included a fork-mounted fairing along with a larger capacity fuel tank and a trunk at the rear of the motorcycle. It was designated as the GL 1500 CJ. As sales eventually dwindled, the Interstate and the Tourer models were dropped after 2001, leaving only the standard model remaining. 2003 saw the standard offered only in black and was the last year of the original Valkyrie. The F6 engine is a 1520 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled horizontally opposed flat-six engine transplanted from the Honda's Goldwing model, unlike the V-twin engine commonly found on cruiser-style motorcycles. And for further information on the Honda F6-C, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and please like and share our videos. and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.